In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to copy, move, and delete a worksheet in a workbook. Right now, I'm opening a workbook called the Add Budget Template. This workbook has 5 different worksheets. Suppose I want to make a copy of this worksheet called the unit sales. All you need to do is right-click your mouse and select Move a Copy. Check Create a Copy and specify where you want Excel to put this new copy. Suppose I want to put it in the end. Click OK. There you go. So we just create a new worksheet. Then you can click this newly created worksheet and you could say rename. Suppose I want to call it new. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to move a worksheet. So you could still right-click the button and then say Move a Copy, or you can simply drag this new worksheet anywhere you want. So you push the left button of the mouse and put the place you want it, and then release the button. There you go. So this new worksheet is placed at the beginning of the workbook. If you want to delete this worksheet, you can right-click the button of your mouse and choose delete. That's it. You just learned how to move, copy, and delete a worksheet in a workbook file.